Hello guys, in today's video we're going to present you the top 5 best car remote starters available on the market today. We made this list on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. If this is your first time to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for the daily video notification. So without further ado, let's get started. The number 1 position is dominated by Avital 4103LX Remote Car Starter. The Avital remote start system puts the other car starter systems to shame with its high-tech abilities. The two remote possesses unique AUX outputs and boost range as they're combined with a super het receiver. A wide variety of features are available such as lock, unlock, remote start and trunk release. An optional anti-grind relay ensures that the system is secure by preventing the starter system from engaging if your ignition key accidentally switches to the start position during remote operation. If you're planning to install this car starter yourself, the incorporation of a virtual tach converter, which samples a vehicle's voltage hundreds of times per second, allows you to bypass the installation of a tachometer wire connector, which is collectively hated by DIYers. If you want to know the latest price of the Avital 4103LX, then click the description box. Number 2. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Viper 576V two-way car security with a remote car starter system. This product is ideal for adventurers and non-adventurers alike. Viper's remote promotes a full 1 mile range so your vehicle will be heated upon your return. Worried that the temperature isn't warm enough? By selecting Active Temperature Check you can see the car's temperature prior to entering the vehicle. If you're still not satisfied, utilizing the Runtime Reset option allows the runtime to be prolonged so your vehicle can reach your preferred temperature. And if that's not enough, this nifty device arranges the features according to how you prioritize them. What's more, you will be instantly informed of any changes occurring in the status of your vehicle. If this is your desired product, please check the link description below. The number 3 position is held by CrimeStopper RS4 G5 OneWay Remote Car Starter. There is no doubt that CrimeStoppers remote provides its users with flexibility. As well as being multi-operational, this system allows 2 separate vehicles to be controlled through just one remote, provided that the same CrimeStopper remote start system is equipped in both. This system is designed to work in automatic or manual transmission vehicles, including diesel, hybrid or gas engines. It features several options for starting, stopping, locking and unlocking your vehicle for as far as 2,000 feet away. If you're having a lazy day, CrimeStoppers remote even releases the trunk and opens sliding doors. And for all you the tech nerds out there, the Rockford Foxgate app allows for the remote start of your vehicle and can even locate your car. Both secure and safe, the CrimeStopper is a good option. Is this video adding value to your search? If yes, please do like, share and comment. Next at number 4 we have Avital 4113LX Remote Car Starter with 2 one-button remotes. How can a remote work efficiently with only one button? Don't worry, Avital's remote is designed to keep things less complicated. The keyless buttons on the screen are constructed so no button can accidentally be pressed. What makes this product even more desirable is the availability outputs for optional horn and anti-grind relays. Worried about installation? Avital has you covered. Several easy-to-follow manuals are available online, and similar to his other designs, the virtual tach erases the need for a tach wire. If you're a straightforward kind of person, opt for simplicity by choosing this Avital option. If you've already used any of these products, please do let us know by commenting below. It will help others to a worthy buy. Finally at number 5 with Compustar CS800S OneWay Remote Car Starter. In the world of remote car starters, Compustar's model is certainly a cheap and cheerful alternative in comparison to some of the fancy remotes available. Yet for an incredible price, it offers everything the average Joe needs and more. Seasoned DIYers rave about how simplistic this car starter is to install, with the support from both the manual and numerous sources online. Its countless features, which range from smartphone control to keyless entry, are also available. So don't be put off by those who claim that the Compustar remote range isn't reliable. The 1,000-foot range that this model offers is very good. What's more, the heating and cooling features ensure the safety of the driver, as his or her personal optimal conditions can be met. If you're searching for a top quality product that won't break the bank, then look no further. And that's all for today. We'll upload automotive product reviews every single day, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications.